I'm about to put it on. The last suit I'll ever wear.
Last suit you ever wear.
I can't believe you're here. It's epic.
We just got a call to go clear a drain. It's gonna be my first time in the jetter truck, so I don't know, come along with me while I learn how to use this thing. This is the Urban Warrior. Right now we are filling the water tanks up with water so we have water to jet when we get there, I think. We'll ask the big boss how this works.
Imagine that.
Only two?
Ain't no chocolate in there, dude. They're boxing me out. Fucked up.
That was God saving you.
Oh.
Oh.
Yeah, man. You want to love me? Be part of the squad, whatever.
Is it already synced up?
I think so.
It's synced up, baby.
Here you go. Hold on. Bastard. There you go.
I got the head. We got this hose running down here into the drain. These little crazy heads. I'm the squad, dude. That's your favorite head?
No, like you know I like the big head.
Word on the street, you're like the expert at this.
It's my first day. I just picked him up a wall.
It smells weird, right?
Like oddly smelling sewage. Right?
Yeah, but you'd think this one wouldn't be as...
Well, this should be going out just into the dirt.
That's what I think, right?
It settles the French drain.
He'll have a clean shower, but the drain's not gonna work.
It'll be clean.
God, is that you? So this is returns for like if you want to take it back to get money back for it. This is returns like if you just want to put it back in the shop for me to stock.
Finally finished Wildwood.
How was that? You felt glorious?
I would have felt more glorious if I guess I helped doing more there. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Just kind of show up and hang it out. So, I mean, it's nice to know that everybody's done there, you know?
I got the goods. Look, smile. I've been hitting them already.
Did you get them from the Whole Food store? Vegan or?
The sugar store. So, you know, when we get the special situations, we gotta call up Daddy Rob. So we got an HVAC unit in the drop ceiling of a commercial kitchen that has a cooling tower. And we have a pump that needs to be changed that's valved off in the Carmines. Series 300 pump or Series 150, I'm not sure.
Now we're talking commercial. Okay, good. All right, so now...
He said cooling tower only. Let that kick around your head. Second one, I got a water heater in Summers Point that we got it, and I can send you a picture of this. Old style Freon job, 80s, 85. We gotta move the line sets. I know you're the licensed guy.
Well, we can do that.
All right. I just changed it up. How epic is this? Always gonna come back to this. So at Barron Plumbing, a couple preps. Morning coffee. Sunscreen. Robert, you need some sunscreen?
No.
Now we can go deal with the public. I don't want to get cancer now. Let's go.
Another day at Barone Plumbing and Heating, boys. So, yesterday afternoon we had a crazy training session with Spartan. Spartan Bob, this company that does like, I don't know, crazy tools for plumbing, jetting, drain clogging things, whatever. So right now, or today, I'm working on the smallest units they make. They're these little drain machines for like kitchen sinks or small drains. So I have 2 more in the back. We pulled this one out yesterday and it was all put together crazy. Let's see how these ones are put together. They're kind of heavy. Just to be made. Well, I can already tell this one's a wild ride. The belt's off there, and all right, I'm just gonna pull these bad boys out and see what's up because they're a disaster. Pulled this one down, and yeah, look how it's put together. I don't know what's going on here. They got 2 washers on the inside. 2 washers on the inside of this one. I'm gonna have to play with this for a little while, and then yeah, becoming a master of the Spartan drain machine. These are for clearing poop, for the record. Poop, food, whatever you guys throw down your drains and think it just disappears into the magical abyss.
How you doing?
Good, how are you, sir?
It looks like he has had a major success here.
Okay, yeah, well, he's the main guy. He's good.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th attempt at fixing this thing.
Do you see all that like sludge and stuff in the bottom?
Yeah.
It's just sand and stuff.
It's gross enough. That's a clogged artery, dude.
Yeah, man.
You could jet it a little more, maybe.
I'm going to. Not with my big head though. I got stuck this morning.
No.
Yeah, dude. I almost had a heart attack. You got that on film?
I don't know what you were doing down here. Don't look that fun though. There's a lot of poop everywhere. You don't want to hang out in that smell?
Not all day.
Big stunt going down. Can Randolph or H even handle this stunt? No, you're not. You gotta.
Bombs away!
Next stop, the hospital. That was pretty sick, actually. Woo!
PVC primer and glue off the shelf there.
Yep.
Put it in there too.
I'll get it. I got it.
On that.
All right.
Alright?
Yep.
Look at the wagon. What's in there?
A lot. Oh, I see the Tyvek suits. I can't wait to use those.
Dude, you're gonna look so fucking hot.
It's gonna be insane. All right. I'll start loading this up.
No problem.
All right.
There, bro.
Another morning at the shop. Got to load all this material up. Just talked to Chuck. Just got the text. Just updated my board on the, let's see, I'll show you what I mean. Just updated my board on here. It shows me where I'm going, the job, everything like that. So this is the job we were at yesterday. We tried to clear this drain with the jetter and everything. It wouldn't clear, so the guy went for, I'm not really sure exactly what we're replacing, but we're replacing a lot of stuff, so it's gonna be a gnarly day. We're gonna need all this material, we're gonna need some donuts, and we're gonna need to get to the job, boys. Quote of the day is, rather be looking at it than looking for it.
Take me over the rainbow. Take me down the yellow brick road. Take me far the fuck away from here. And all.
Yep, dispatch. And then get directions. Here we go. Little glazed coffee roll on the way. Wow, dude, that looks so good. No way. Oh shit. Approaching the job. I don't think God's gonna want me down here, but we'll see. Meanwhile, I'm down here in the filth. I gotta go back there.
That's a sound effect.
That's so gnarly, dude. Wanna be a plumber? Not really. Do you?
I'm already one. Someone give me a hammer.
Where's sewer at? Right there?
Right next to it.
On your side.
On your side, it's right there, terracotta.
Who's jetting it? You? Paul? Sam? Louis?
No,
Anybody?
Robert is.
Is he your
Robert?
Is he your content creator?
He's the content creator.
This is it.
Producer or what?
How about some goggles?
That'd be nice.
Oh. Yeah, put a rag right over here. Are you good? Yeah. Just plug that shit in. Got my knee pad. Ah! That's all I got. Whoa.
61 now, Chuck?
All right. Yeah. Shit, we got a problem. I gotta solder this.
Well, good thing you're a soldering pro. Teachable moment.
Soldered probably in 15 years.
Hit him with his own quote.
What, did I make it anymore? Yeah, I've seen it.
So we'll come right on the
Right side. Or our left side.
of what? The water? Yeah. Close to the front of the street.
You're meditating down here? You'd have to be a real priest to meditate this. That
He'd have to be a
smell.
real sick fuck. to meditate down here.
You're doing it.
You don't know how to plug me in real quick?
Yep. Thick metal. I was gonna say, that ain't no joke.
Seems like you guys put a 3-inch
Like 13 feet.
ABS.
Liner.
I actually didn't go out Sunday. It was Saturday I went to Deauville. And it's expensive as shit. Twist.
Okay. This is our measurement. Okay? This pipe right here. We're going to use this 90 here. We're going to roll this with a 45 like so. So when I hook the tape here, I'm going to add 3 inches.
Go 13 and a half.
13.
And a 4-inch fern coat for the boys.
Here's what we're going to do, Robert. We're going to use screw gun. My tip's in the gray thing.
I got your tip in my pocket.
All right.
Got the gun right in front of you.
Piece of wood. Where's that piece of wood?
Right here.
Hand here.
Okay.
I want to show you what we're doing. Hands off. Screw this right to that plate. This is going to go right next to it, and we're going to put 2 straps right in the side of this. That's going to secure our pipe.
Like down. Screw it down.
Yep.
Into this.
Yep. 2 pieces. Robert knows what's up, right?
Mm-hmm.
You like that? Little all thread.
You like chocolate milk?
I love chocolate milk. Lefty. Another lefty. Are you lefty?
Yeah.
This is brutal.
We don't use blue and red. We're pro. We use white PEX. Hot and cold.
Ow.
Don't cut
Get
your
out,
thumb
Phil.
off.
Yeah, I did.
Back in my eye.
So look, put this right above the copper.
A few hours later.
The boys heading home right now, heading back to the shop. ended up being so heavy towards the end of the day that we decided it wasn't even a vloggable moment. So we finished the job, and we're living the dream.